In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Telegram automation. This video shows how you can automate conversation on Telegram by creating a Telegram bot. Follow the following steps to create and connect your Telegram bot. You will need to chat with the official Telegram bot father to create your bot. Use the new bot command to create your bot. After you created your bot, you will receive your bot API token. Proceed to create your Telegram bot and input your API token. Once you have successfully connected your Telegram bot, you can proceed to the flow section and create your flow. Note that you can set your Telegram bot welcome message. This flow is sent when the user interacts for the first time with the bot by clicking on the Start button. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.